Hello viewers, this is Mahantesh Vapri, BRP Secondary, BRC, Vijaypur Rural. I'm happy to bring before you my new video on English grammar, which is made easy for all. So in this present video, I have brought before you easy techniques how to write letter. So in this part first, this is my part first video on letter writing, and next video I continue letter writing. So before we start our channel or before we start our content, please subscribe my channel and like. Importance of letter writing. So letter writing is very important skill in any field of public life. So without knowing letter writing, even we find that even master degree holders cannot write letter properly. So this is very important part on the part of everybody. So letter writing is a very important medium of expression. We can express our views, thoughts in this regard. So this mainly focuses on the form where we should write from address to address and other content, and it's mainly focuses on presentation skill. Without knowing this skill, we cannot expect good job in public or private sector. So this is very important skill. We must learn how to write letter easily. So letter writing question is always there in every question paper. Above 6th class to competitive examination, in every examination we find at least 4 or 5 marks question in this on this question. So this skill excels our communicative skills. So this promotes our communicative skills, how to communicate with others in a formal way. So let's study about the meaning and types of letter writing. What do we mean by letter writing? Letter writing is a medium of expressing our thoughts and views in systematic manner. In short, it is an art of presenting our thoughts beautifully through the medium of writing. Through the medium of writing, we can present our ideas beautifully. So there are 3 types in letter writing. They are personal letters, secondly official letters, thirdly business letters. For high school students, personal letters and official letters are prescribed. So we will talk about personal letters in this part first video. So far official letters are concerned. So please watch my next video which will be focused on official letter. So business letters is not prescribed for you. So we should not discuss in this regard. So meaning of personal letter. What do we mean by personal letter? The letters which are written to relatives and friends are called personal letters. The letters which we write to relatives and friends, they are called personal letters. So the letters which are written to father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, and all kind of friends. So before, this is a very easy way to understand and write letter very easily. So we must know the format of personal letter. As we know the formula in mathematics, in the same way it works like this. So firstly, format of personal letter. So what should be written at the just margin? From. Next, name of the writer, one who writes. Thirdly, name of the class. Fourth, name of the school or colony. If you are writing from the colony, you can write the name of colony there. Next, name of the place. Next, date. So this is, if you write like this, so this is just a formula. Wow. After that, we take one example and try to write the letter actually. Next, salutation. So this is very important and it carries half marks there. So in the salutation means dear is very common. So if you are asked to write father, just write dear father. If you are asked to write mother, just write dear mother. So this is very important. Next, you just leave 2 paragraphs. Next, you should not thank in personal letters. You should not say thank you for personal letters. You should not thank for father, mother or any kind of relative or friends. So the last is complimentary ending. We have to end complimentary like this. For example, yours lovingly. In personal letters we can use common complementary ending, that is yours lovingly. It can be used for both elder as well as younger. So after that we should not sign here, just to have to write name of the writer. We should not sign here. Next, after that you have to write to address. In the to address you make just one box there, and at the first column or first row you have to write to. Next, name of the recipient, means the letter which you are going to write to whom, and next name of the colony, name of the place, pin code. So this pin code is very important. It contains 6 numbers. You have to write 6 numbers. So this is the formula. So we will now take one example and practice this kind of letter. Imagine that you are Kavita or Krishna, 10th class, Sardar Patel High School, Tumkuru. Write a letter to your father about your performance in recent test. Such questions can be asked for 10th examination. So first we have to say whether name is given or not, whether class, high school, name of place are given or not. We have to check, and we have to check the letter to whom we have to write letter. So here we have to write letter to father. Okay, it comes under, so you have to write to your father, so that's why it comes under personal letter. So write from. So if you are girl students, write Kavita. If you are boys, write Krishna. Secondly, 10th class. Thirdly, Sardar Patel High School. Fourthly, name of the place, Tumkuru. Next, write date. So this is very important. On which day you are writing letter, you have to mention the same day, the same date there. So there are 2 ways of writing dates. First is, say for example, today 28/3/2021. So this is British way of writing letter. I repeat, 28/3/2021. So as I wrote here, 28th March 2021, this is American way of writing letter. So this looks beautiful. Try to practice it. So if you write from address, you can get 1 mark there. Next, so as I told you, dear is common to whether that person is elder or younger. So first write dear, and you have to see whom you are going to write a letter. Father, you get half mark here. Next, in the first paragraph we have to ask their wellness, how they are. So like this, I am your son writing this letter from Tumkuru. I am very well with my studies and keeping good health. How are you? So you have to ask. This first paragraph is common in personal letter. You can write to anybody. This is common. So second, in the second paragraph you have to write about the subject. Here what is asked to write. So you are asked to write your performance in recent test. So one is you have to write in a very simple manner. I have taken good marks in recent tests. I feel some difficulties in mathematics, science and English. Still I get guidance from teachers and study hard to get high marks in annual examination. This is second paragraph about the subject. Third paragraph you have to like this. I am expecting your reply soon. It means that it is also first paragraph is common, third paragraph is common. Only you have to practice second paragraph about the topic. Next, write yours lovingly. This can be used for all. Next, you write name. Which name you have written in the from address, the same name you have to repeat after yours lovingly. So after that you have to write to address here. So make one box there, just exact to the margin. In the first row 2, second Ramesh, third house number 31, next Azad Nagar, next Bengaluru. You have to write pin code 586006. Like this you have to try to write personal letters. What is important is that you have to recognize whether that letter is personal or official letter. This is very important. If once you recognize the type of letter, you can write it very easily. So next, one more practice we have. So one more letter is for you. Imagine that you are Anita or Arjun, house number 51, Vidyanagar, Hubli. Write a letter to your friend inviting him or her to your birthday. So your name is given here, and you are asked to write your friend about inviting him or her to your birthday. So as we discussed in the last letter, try to write from address. We can take now Anita. Sorry, Arjun. We can take now Arjun from next house number 51. You have to copy from the question. Just it's like that. Third one, Vidyanagar. Next, name of the place, Hubli. Next, date. So again, you have to be very careful while writing date. You have to write the date on the same day. Next, dear friend. You are asked to write a letter to dear friend. Okay. Next, in the first, again same. I am your friend Arjun, writing this letter from. Writing this letter, I am well with my studies and keeping good health. How are you? This is very common. Next, I have my birthday on 1/4/2021. I invite to my birthday program. All my friends are attending this program. I expect you to be there. Let's celebrate it happily. I forgot to write here, and here it is. I hope and trust you will attend my birthday. So you should not thank your friend. So you should not write thank you or thanks a lot in personal letters. So this is very important. So keep it in your memory that you should not write thank you in personal letters. So next, yours lovingly. After that, you have to write the same name as you have written in the from address. Say for Arjun. Next, make one column or one box, write to address. I have written here Sachin Patil, house number 32, Saraswatipuram, Mysuru, 56666. So 56006. So this pin writing pin code is very important. So thank you for watching my channel, and subscribe. You subscribe this channel. If you like my content, please like and share this to your students in WhatsApp group, so that it can help so many children who are living in remote areas of rural areas. Please share in WhatsApp group so that they can easily write personal letter. So thank you very much for giving